From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming July 6th Forex session. As a quick reminder, please note that this video is shot in high def, so it can be watched full screen. The euro dollar pair in front of you has been, without a doubt, the epicenter of all things negative in the Forex markets. During the Thursday session, we saw the ECB cut interest rates from 1% to 0.75%. Essentially, it is a change, but it was something that was known in the markets. The fact is, the central bank sounds very dovish all of a sudden, and as such, we could get continued weakness. One of the things that will have saved the euro at the end of the Thursday session, of course, was the fact that today we have the non-farm payroll number. There have been a couple things that I've been looking at in this pair, one of which was a bearish flag previously. And the only reason I would give that any credence is the fact that it shows up in the euro pound as well. You can see that we surged, we slammed right into the bottom of it, and then of course fell. We've now broken a new low, which shows a whole new level of bearishness. However, if you do not buy the bearish flag story, we can look at this from more or less a horizontal perspective. You can see that we started to make higher lows and higher highs, and eventually returned, and now we have made a lower high. That is a bearish signal. Once we get below the 123 level, which is basically the bottom here, that signals nothing short of extreme bearishness again, that we are going lower. Going back to the bearish flag theory, this handle, this pole on this flag is 1,000 pips, and that would send the euro down to 115. While that does sound very say brutal, maybe a little bit as far as people were concerned, maybe a little bit overreaching. You have to keep in mind time doesn't equate into this. That could be 2 years from now. We just don't know. But nonetheless, all of these things signal that the euro is going down. So looking at this, and of course giving it the most positive spin, I see that we are at the very least just in consolidation. Well, consolidation normally leads to continuation. So the reaction on Friday will be very interesting. I prefer personally to fade any rallies on weak candles. And of course, if we go below, then at that point in time, this pair should fall apart.